Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Trade with Sunny. Today's video is super exciting because I am taking you through my very first live trading day on my funded futures account. I'll be breaking down exactly what trades I executed and the reasoning behind each decision. If you are looking to sharpen your trading skills, there's no better way than to dive in and see how it's done in real time. So let's get started and see how the trading day unfolded. So this is the Nasdaq chart, and I will first show you the executions which I have had today. It's it's here. Let's get down. So in the AM session, as you can see, we were in a bearish trend already, and we had this small little opening gap right here marked with white zone. I will make it a bit darker for you. So you see this gap down here, and we were here, and we had some liquidity down here, and the markets went up in the opening of the Wall Street, and at the open you see my first trade was here, executed at this candle. This is a 1 minute chart, and I sold the market here and until here, which was below this entry point. Okay, so what actually happened, that why did I sell this thing here? Because I saw SMT here with the ES mini and Nasdaq. So you see how exactly I traded it. It's not random. It's because we saw the SMT up here, and then we saw the SMT down there. So I wanted to buy the market here as well, but as it was against the trend, so I didn't buy it again. And when the markets were up here, I did sell again. We had a small little drawdown up here, and then the markets went down, and I closed here. And this black line is the equilibrium position of the monthly fair value gap. So that's where I closed, and we had a nice little move down here below this liquidity as well. But I took another trade which was closed by hitting the TP, which is not showing here. Maybe I'm not sure where exactly I took the trade. I can see on M5. So yeah, that trade was right at this point, which was the fair value gap trade, and I sold the markets here with the stop loss above this candle, and the markets gave another short selling here. Okay, so after that I closed the trade for the day, but the PM session was the important day for today. I'm gonna show you what happened there as well, because it was FOMC statement day and also the interest rate decision. So what happened here, let me show you that screenshot I took. Yeah, so you see this thing making SMT down here with with Nasdaq and ES mini. Let me show you here as well. Let's go on H1, and I will just show you what exactly happened here by comparing them. Okay, so we have this thing here. I'm gonna convert this to candlesticks. Okay, if you see that we have this low to this high. Before making the move, we will drop back down to 5 minutes chart, and here on Nasdaq, if you see, we did take this low. I'm not sure. Yeah, so you see that we have SMT here in ES and Nasdaq, where Nasdaq did take the low and made a lower low, but ES didn't make that low, which confirmed that we are gonna move higher. Doesn't depend on what the outcome of the news is gonna be. So on that decision, on that underlying objective, I was about to buy this thing, but as my profit target and daily target was already completed, so I didn't take this trade, but it was the nice real move. So today's profit was for me it was $2,043. It's a live account now, as I've already shown you my last video where I told you how and on what basis I passed the my funded futures account. So what happened here that we got the SMT down here, and then we went up, took this high, and made a market structure shift, came back down here. Let's close this one for now and just talk about Nasdaq. Yeah, so as I've shown you, this was the SMT thing, and which was here, and then it went up above these highs, took this high, came back down here, and came into this little gap, and this blue shaded area, as I already shown you, this is the today's opening gap, which is right here. You can see that's marked already with the blue zone, and we went above this zone, closed above it, and came back down to this small little fair value gap. Did go below, a little bit below this, but that's completely acceptable. And it's also went again up and then came back into it again. I will mark this as well. You see here, let me yeah, so this thing, you see that we came here. This was the time we had the at 2 o'clock, was it 2 o'clock? Let's see it on my Forex Factory. You see, yeah, it was 2 o'clock. You see we had the federal funds rate, then FOMC statement, and then FOMC press conference at 1:30. Let's go back to the charts. So at 2 o'clock, what happened here, you see at 14, this was the 14 candle, that is 2 o'clock New York time, and it went up, came back down, stayed a little bit here for a while, then went back again up, and then made some wicks here, and this candle closed up, coming back down, doing a lot of manipulation around here, taking the liquidity again and again, and manipulating the people. And but as I've shown you, the real thing, what was the underlying thing which we could have used to buy the markets, and we could have known before the federal funds rate were out. We did know that it's going to go higher because we had this SMT down there. Okay, until and unless we would have an other SMT from this side, this was bullish to me. Okay, so you see we had a nice move above there. Okay, and we just went into this zone, which is another blue zone marked up here. So what's that? That's a daily fair value gap marked already, and it's not marked after the move happened. It was marked before it. If you see my videos regularly, you would know that this level have already been here for weeks now, if not weeks then days. We had a rejection here from this zone as well, then we went back above it and we closed above it, came back a little bit below into this fair value gap, and then went up it, and we made some double bottoms here, which was two rejections shown here, but we on Tuesday we broke below this and we had a nice lower move. So today's candle was really what would I say, a manipulative sort of candle, which was but really a clean price action though. So it went higher, and while filling this gap, let me show you, sorry, you see this gap, this is a 1 hour fair value gap aligned with this blue shaded area. We just pierced a little bit above this daily fair value gap, but we didn't close any candle above it, so it was a nice selling from there as well. Okay, so you see that it was about 300 points move again upside first, and then from this zone 300 to 400, 300 to 350 points down, back down here. So that was it for today, and I believe today was really a nice day. But tomorrow, the Thursday before the, as we have NFP on Friday, so I believe we should not trade the Thursday tomorrow, and we should also not trade until and unless the NFP news is out, which is on Friday 8:30 a.m. New York local time. So I think that the move has just happened already, and we should stay away from the markets till the NFP news is out, and we may be trading the NFP on Friday. And so that was it for today. uh, it was a short video, and I believe that you would have found any insightful information or any useful things from my trades. And I've been saying here, if you're a regular viewer of my videos, you would know that I've been saying that I'm gonna be live on someday soon, and do some live trades. But unfortunately, I don't get the time to, or I'm not in the right settings to show you and come live and show you the stuff. But I will be doing the live sessions in upcoming weeks when I get enough followers and viewers, because I'm just a new YouTuber here, and I'm not motivated to trade live for just a couple of hundred people. And I will be doing more live sessions, and will be making more videos when I get time, and also when there are enough viewers and stuff like that. So until next time, be safe and safe trading. Take care.